What's up, my friend? In this video, we're going to talk about playlists. Now, inside of YouTube University, I do mention this a few times, but I'm going to walk you through and we're going to talk about the importance of playlists on your YouTube channel. Now, creating a playlist is relatively simple and easy to do. But before we get to that, I just want to walk you through and explain the process of why playlists are important. Now, when you're first starting out, you don't need to worry about this too much, but as you start to grow your channel, as you start to create more content, what you're going to want to do is organize your content into specific lists, and you don't have to organize every single video into a playlist, but I want you to think about being able to take certain videos and put them in a playlist, because what's going to be good over time for you is over time, instead of having someone just watch one of your videos, what if you could send them to a list of videos and they could watch multiple videos? That's going to do a lot of things. It's going to increase your watch time. It's going to keep somebody on your channel longer, which is going to help you and the algorithm. It's going to help you growing your channel and getting your channel more exposure. And it's also going to expose that lead, that person that's watching your video. It's going to expose them to more content over time, which is going to be a really good thing for you. So as an example, I'm going to walk through my channel here and just kind of show you, look at it this way. If you didn't have playlists, okay, your channel, when someone goes to your home button, your channel could kind of look like this. It just could be a bunch of random videos, all just kind of scattered around, right? However, if you have playlists and you have playlists organized properly on your channel, it could look like this. So as an example, I have my main video, and this is for unsubscribed members. When they come here, they see this video here. But what's really important is now what that last screen looked like, which was a bunch of jumbled random videos. Now look here, and it's nice and clean. There's the very first playlist I have, and this is designed on purpose. This is the first playlist that I want people to see. When a brand new unsubscribed person comes to my channel, is the very first thing I want them to see. So that's why that playlist is first. My second playlist, that's why that's second. This is the second thing I want them to see. So I have all of these playlists in order. Okay. Here's a builder-all training that I did. Here's an email marketing training that I did. And these are all series or playlists. I like to create video training series. And I would think about and consider that for yourself. All right. If you over time want to start putting playlists and even training series together, it gets people watching multiple videos of yours. So I also have a motivation playlist where it's, some of the top audios that are out there, things like the Science of Getting Rich, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, Strangest Secret by Earl Nightingale, The Four Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz, stuff like that. Okay. And again, once someone starts watching one video, typically what are they going to do? They're going to move on to the next video. Okay. I have a lives playlist. I also have a shorts playlist. Okay. So this is done by design, and I have people watching the content that I specifically want them to see. So instead of someone just going to my channel and seeing a bunch of random videos and trying to decide, okay, which one do I want to watch first? They come here, they see the playlist, and then they get to decide for themselves and say, okay, what seems like it's important, what seems like I want to start here, and go through and watch things in order. And that's what some of these playlists do. They take people through a process. So as you get out there and you start your Savings Highway Global journey and you start creating more and more content, what I want you to start think about doing, the more Savings Highway Global videos that you put out, think about putting them into a playlist. All right. And then having them in the order. Now I can adjust this order. These don't have to be in whatever order they land in. You can also, not just with the playlist, you could put your playlist whatever order you want your playlist on your channel, you can adjust that. And you can also adjust the order of the videos. So let's dive in. We'll take a deeper and closer look as to what this looks like. So I'm going to go here and we're going to go into edit. Here's a brand new video I just made at the time of this recording. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down. Okay. And you're going to see right here, and I cover this in other videos, but see right here where it says playlist. Okay. So it says playlist, and you get to select what playlist you want to drop a video into. And if you don't have a playlist yet, you haven't created any playlists, no worries. You don't have to do this right away, But over time, this is something that you may want to think about. So as an example, go here. And if you don't have a playlist, right here where it says the bottom of your screen, where it says new playlist, you would simply select new playlist. You name your playlist like test demo playlist right here. We'll just call that. And then you would hit create. Okay. Then you would hit create. And then you simply add, you see the check mark here. When you want to add a video to a playlist, you just select the box and then you hit done. And then that's it. And it's as simple as that. That's how you create a playlist. Now let's head over to the channel and I'll show you guys how to organize playlists. Okay. So we're going to go over here to right where it says customize channel. So I'm going to click on that. Okay. Now, if you want to add a playlist, okay, so if you don't have any playlists, you want to add a playlist to your home screen. So in other words, when you're sitting right here, this is your home screen. Okay, you can see it right there. We're on the home screen. If you want to add a playlist to this section right here, you're going to select customize channel, and then you go here to where it says add section. Okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to select single playlist. And then you're just going to click that. And then you're going to select the playlist that you just created. And you're going to be able to add that to your home screen. So now what we're going to do, if you want to edit the order of the videos, okay, if you want to edit these, what you're going to do, okay, is you're actually going to go to, now let me just show you that before we go there. You can see these little bars right here. Okay, so let me just kind of highlight those so you can see that what I'm talking about. Okay, you see these little bars right here. This is how you adjust the order of the playlists that are on your home screen. So in other words, if we went back over to my main channel, and let's just say for whatever reason, I wanted to slide this, this Savings Highway Global playlist. I wanted to slide that up and I want that to be the very first playlist. What you do is literally just go here. You grab, you see the little hand signal, you grab that and I would just slide that up to the top. But I want it just the way it is, but that's how you would move and adjust. Now, if you want to go and you want to adjust some of the orders of the videos, this is how you do that. So out here, when you're not in your studio, when you're out here, you can go and you can select your playlist. So as an example of, I'll just select this 6-figure playlist, or actually, you know, I'll go and I'll select the Savings Highway Global playlist right now. So boom, right, select that. And then you're going to be right here, same exact thing that we talked about with moving the playlist around. It's the same exact thing with moving the videos around. So when you're here, you're going to see these little bars right here. And it's really simple. All you got to do is click and drag. So if I want to take one of these videos and I want to move it up or I want to change the order, I simply select that and you can drag them and put them in any order that you want. It's really simple and really easy to do. So what I want you to do is I want you to think about the playlists that you may or may not have, and think about as you start creating more content, whether you do a training series, whether you do, you know, a Savings Highway Global playlist or whatever it is, what you're also going to be able to do. Now, here's something cool. So check this out. Instead of sending someone a link to one specific video, like if I click on this right here, if I just click on 6-figure series, same thing with the Savings Highway Global series, same thing with any of my playlists, right up here in the URL. If I send someone this URL, it takes them right here to this page. And instead of sending them to one video, now you can send them to a list of videos. And over time, what this is going to do, it's going to increase your watch time. And like I mentioned earlier, it's going to get more people watching more and more of your content. And it's going to help build and grow your channel. It's going to build know, like, and trust branding with your audience. It's going to do a lot of things. So don't feel like you have to run out and create playlists right away, but take this information, take this content, and then start to apply this over time. And it's going to help you build and grow your channel. Hope you got value from this. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.